welcome back today. So we're going to be taking a look at the largest lifestyle quarterly subscription box today. This is coming from the Balanced Company. Now we're specifically going to be opening up the summer 2024 Balanced Lifestyle box that is curated for women. It has the most items of any other lifestyle subscription box out there. Typically, I mean, you guys, I've had up to 13 items. Usually we're around 10 items each quarter, but I cannot believe how many products you receive inside of this box. And like I said, because it's quarterly, it gives you enough time to try everything out. And since it's a lifestyle box, you get a little bit of everything. It's not all one category, so it's a great variety box. Well, in true fashion, this box is heavy, and that usually happens when you have a box that is filled with so many products. And it's a good size box. I mean, you guys can tell, this is not like a tiny little box that they're shipping with. There is a lot in here. So if you're interested in this subscription box, I will be posting a link down below for you guys. This box ships in the US and in Canada, but I have two different links for each country. So just make sure you're clicking on the right link depending on what country you are living in. But I have a discount code that will work for everyone. So I'm going to be including that as well, and you guys can save 20% off with my code. Now this box is all put together by a small businesswoman, and she will try every single one of these products out before they go into her boxes. So what I really like is that it meets the EV standard. You know what I mean? Like, she has a standard, and unless it's above that, she's not going to be putting those products in her boxes. So I appreciate that she's looking for products that she enjoys, that she knows works. You're getting good quality items when it comes to her boxes. Ooh. Well, there is a lot in here, you guys, and I am definitely getting the summer feel here. And if you'd like to meet Evie, there is a card inside that will give you an intro to the owner. So first item that we have in our box today, oh my gosh, you guys, it's huge. It's 32 ounces. This is a coffee latte, macadamia milk and espresso. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So this is plant-based, dairy-free, lactose-free, soy-free, gluten-free, cholesterol-free, and you're still going to have an amazing coffee drink afterwards. So this looks amazing. You're going to refrigerate it after you open it. So once you break the seal is when it will need to go into the fridge. They want you to use it within 7 to 10 days, but it's using macadamia milk instead of like a coconut milk or like a dairy milk. So I love that we have this. As somebody that has issues with lactose, I appreciate getting something that doesn't have dairy in it. So this is awesome. But you guys, it's a full-size coffee drink. I'm also a huge coffee connoisseur, so like this is totally up my alley. And the expiration is in October, so all you gotta do is drink it before October, which I definitely will, you guys. Like, I'll have this drink next week. And I feel like she knows in summertime I drink the most iced coffees ever. So seriously, that is perfect. This is a beauty item, and we have a lip oil. It's a tinted lip oil called Gloss and Glow. The shade is Spill the Tea. So this is what it will look like here. I have a feeling this lip oil is going to give you the hydration, and it's going to give you a golden shine. So good for summer, but don't worry, your lips are not going to be yellow by using this product. So we'll go ahead and do a quick swatch with this. I do like that you get a really big fuzzy applicator. It looks like a lemon drop. Okay, apparently I'm craving sugar. But you know those little lemon drop candies that have the coated sugar on the outside? This looks exactly like that. So this is what our swatch will look like. And like I said, it will give you a gorgeous shine. It is not sticky at all. Like when I put this down, it's not sticky. It's very, very smooth. And it's a beautiful shine. You can see that even from far away. This is really, really pretty, you guys. And I don't smell anything. It'd be great if it smelled like lemon. I wish it smelled like lemon, but I don't smell anything with this product. We also have a beach blanket, which again, perfect for this summer. This one is from Inilco? Okay, I may be ruining that. This is the brand here. We have a full-size beach blanket, and judging by this curve, I'm guessing this is a circle or a round beach blanket. we're gonna take this off and look at it. I'm gonna try my best to hold it up here in the video. That way you guys can see what it looks like. But I don't know, I have a really funny feeling this is going to be a round beach blanket. Yes, oh, look, right there. It's definitely got a curve. I am definitely seeing the round beach blanket coming to life, and it is huge. Ooh, it's a circle! Okay, I will see if I can find an image online for you guys because it is gonna be really hard to show you what this looks like. But I think it's a giant sun from what I can tell. This is a very soft beach towel. I will tell you that to start with. It is super soft, very fuzzy. You can actually see all of the different layers here, so I love that. I love that you have this gorgeous orange trim all the way around. And it's a good size beach blanket. So I definitely think you could put this out, do like a picnic of sorts even. You have plenty of room for this, but it feels really, really nice. Next up, we do have a beauty product in our box. This is the Color Protecting Pre-Shampoo Treatment from Vor. So this is a great hair care company. I've used lots of products from this brand before. They are cruelty-free, which I love. And what you're going to do is put this on through dry or damp hair from your roots all the way down to the ends of your hair. And you're gonna leave it there for 15 minutes and then rinse it out and then follow up with your shampoo conditioner afterwards. So there's no silicone, no parabens, sulfates in this as well. It will help to strengthen your hair. It's also going to protect it against any sort of fading, chemical damage, or breakage. And then it's going to also give you a little bit of a healthy shine. Now, this is not like a gloss product where you're gonna see a lot of shine, but it will give you a nice, healthy, natural looking glow. But this is a full-size product here at 5 ounces as well. Ooh, this is gonna be great for summer. So this is from Green Goo, and it says poison ivy on here. It temporarily helps to relieve any symptoms from that. So this is perfect for summertime because this is usually when it's in full bloom. So full-size product at 1.82 ounces. There's an expiration date of 2025, and it states that this is a natural, holistic way to help deal with the side effects of poison ivy. So it will help to relieve the pain, itching, and oozing that is often associated with this, but it's also going to protect and moisturize your skin from more damage as well. I love this. Now, like I said, it is a holistic formula, so it's all natural ingredients. There's sage in here, there is chickweed, yarrow, there's St. John's wort as well, so all sorts of different oils and plant-based ingredients. I think this is great to have in the box. I'm definitely noticing like the summer theme. Now, the Balance Company is all about having a more balanced lifestyle, so they're giving you products for all aspects of your life. So as you've seen already, we've got like fun lifestyle items, there's beauty items in here. Our next product is going to fit into the health category, which will also help to balance out our lifestyle. But I'm still seeing that summer curation really come through in the products, which I think is awesome. So this is our next item here. It is a full-size bottle from Nature's Bounty. This is a biotin product, so it will help to give you stronger hair, nails, and skin, and they're gonna be healthier over time as well. This one features 3,000 milligrams of biotin, you guys. That is a lot. There's also vitamin C, E, and A, so all the things that your hair and your nails and skin will love to have. These are just chewy gummies that you can see in here, and it looks like they're all strawberry flavored. I will definitely eat these. I take biotin gummies every single day, you guys. Every day I have my biotin gummies with my coffee. Hey, and we got coffee in here too. See what I mean? Like, she's literally giving me what I need. Next up, we also have a toothpaste in the box. This is a full-size box of toothpaste, and it is an herbal one, but it's flavored as fresh mint. So there's no fluoride in this, which this one, you know, again, everybody can do their own research. I personally try to avoid anything that has fluoride in it. If you want to look into it, do your own research, be my guest. Honestly, I encourage you to. I personally do not like to have fluoride in any of my products, so I love that this is a fluoride-free toothpaste. It's also gluten-free, it's cruelty-free, vegan, and there's no colors, dyes, or bleaches in this product. I like that it's full size too, and it's good till 2026. Also, to go along with our toothpaste, we do have a tongue scraper as well. Did you know there's tons of bacteria that grow on your tongue? Like, I didn't know this, but I read some fact online, and it talked about how having a tongue scraper is so good because it gets rid of like the bacteria. And I think they say like stinky breath comes from like your tonsils and your tongue. I don't have any tonsils, so that's not my problem. But anyways, I think this helps with reducing the bacteria and the stinky breath too, I think. Next up, we have a lip balm in here, and this has SPF in it. So it's coconut vanilla scented lip balm, and it's SPF 15. So this will also protect your lips out in the sun. See, I told you, lots of items in this box. Now, the next item that I have says Trust the Journey on it, and this is just a bag. So I'm not sure what this is, but I'm wondering if it's like a reusable travel bag that you can take with. So I'm gonna open this up, and maybe it's a beach ball. Maybe? Okay, let's see. I'm gonna pull this out and see what we are working with. Nope, this is connected. I think this is a shopping bag. Oh, yes, I think we have a shopping bag here, but I gotta get it all the way out. And then you turn this inside out, and you get a little pocket. Oh my gosh! It's transforming before my very eyes, you guys. It's a whole duffel bag. Look at that. That is cool. So obviously it's a little squished, needs a little fluffing up, but you have a whole duffel bag here. This is where it all stuffs into, and it's actually a pocket. So if you wanted to put your beach towel through this, you definitely could. And then you've got a zippered compartment. It's pretty cute. For being all crumpled up, sometimes you don't get a great design out of the deal, but this is kind of cute. And then it opens all the way up like this, so wide opening, and then on the back, this is the solid panel here. I just whacked myself in the face with it, but I wasn't expecting a duffel bag. I was expecting the reusable bags that are like vertical, not such a horizontal bag. And they're a lot smaller too. This one, I'm like, well, dang, I could put all sorts of stuff in here. So that is everything inside of the Balanced Company Lifestyle Box for summer. You guys, there are 10 items inside of this box. All full size, by the way. So if you order right now and you use my linking code down below, not only will you save a little bit of money off of your box, but you will get everything that I've shown you guys here today. I think this is a beautiful summer curation. I love that it still sticks to having a more balanced lifestyle. So just better products overall, small changes that you can make in your lifestyle by switching to maybe fluoride-free or having cruelty-free products. But I also like that you get everything designed for summer. Like, we've got the hair care treatment in here. We've got our duffel bag. We can take our beach blanket with us to the beach. We have sunscreen for our lips with the chapstick. I got my gummies, my iced coffee in hand. Like, it is perfect. This is one of my favorite boxes that she's put together, you guys. Like, it is so good. So comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this box. And like I said, this does ship to Canada as well. So make sure you click on the link that is for Canada. But you guys can save a little bit of money off in both countries with my code. But until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day. And I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye.